Technology. This is the third class on mobile graphic design with mobile phone, and this class is sponsored by IOU, which is part of my community work, and it's going to be used as part of the graded assignments. So now let's start with today's work. Today we are working with images. So let's dive in. So here is our automatic or default welcome page. Now to work with images, one thing that you must do is that if you want to work with images, remember during our previous classes we talked about this area. So this area is where you will have to click on once you insert your image. Now we start with the first step. Let's say you want to change background and use a kind of image as background. And remember, here is our background tab, right? So we're going to click on it to change our background to any image. So click on it. Once we are here, so the background now, this area is image. You can see. You click on this image. Once you click on it, now you can see different images that comes automatically from it. All right. So let's say I choose this. So you can see it changes. I choose this, it changes. So these are background images. Aside that, another method of choosing background image is that from gallery. I click on this from gallery. Now I click on from gallery. So now it's going to open my folder. I have several images. Let me see the one I can click. I have several images. Okay. Let's say I pick on this one of the Ramon. You can see. So the images, you can see the size. Now, once I finish, I'll click on here. Okay. And I can as well change the orientation, the size. If I want to make it a squared background, here is one I'll click. You can see here. I'll click on it. So you can see it already it has changed it. If it is like this, you can see like a banner and 4x3. You can see this one. It depends on whatever you want to do, but because I don't actually need this, so I'll click on reset. Sorry, this is turning, right? So if I want to cancel the size that I've been choose, cancel it. Now let's go back again. Click on and choose the image. This is the image. You choose the image, then you can flip vertically and horizontally. So here is vertical flipping and horizontal flipping. Alright, so you can see flipped horizontally, vertically. You can see. So these are what you need to know in terms of those images. So because this is what I need now, you can see here at this area it shows this dimension. The dimension of this image is 618 by 327. Hope you can see it. This is the dimension of these images. If paraventure I want to make it another one, so you can click on here, it's 100%, right? Want to zoom here, it's 100%. Okay, good. Now that I've clicked on it, you can see that the size of this place now has reduced to the size of the image I impute. So most times, if you want to, the background also most times always determines the type of object that will be there. All right, you can see. Let's change this text color. Let's give it color black or blue. Okay, good. Now you can see. So everything boils down to this area itself. Okay, having done that with that of background images, let's import text to our or let's say this image too. Let's just make it plain. Let's make it plain. So this sorry, background color. Let me the color green. Now I've make it plain. Now let's now insert color. This the first thing I did is background. I actually work on background, change the background to an image. So let's make a layer. Let's include an image layer to your picture. So now you see from this area or here, sorry, here I can include images. Alright, so now if I click on here, no, this plus here, no, this plus, yes, you can see from gallery. Now images that I need, let's say I click on here, this image I need, I haven't need this image of this one. Now here I want to crop. Part of what you need in image is cropping. You must know how to crop image. Cropping in the sense that you want to neglect other area of the images and focus on some specific area of those or of that images. Now the cropping, now I'll click here. Now this area is where I'll take and drag based on how I like it. Alright, so now click here, you can see I drag it. Mm-hmm, 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 mm-hmm. So this is what I actually need in these images. For the sun, let's say this is what I need. Okay, okay, all right. Mm-hmm. Good. You can see it now. Now let me now zoom it and make it a bit smaller. All right, you can see. So this is an image. So as it is now, I can also widen it. You can see and distort it as I like. All right. So this is how image works. So now we've talked about changing the background of an image, then adding image to your adding image layer to your design. Now let's do something again, including image into an object. Now let's add to my image here. We want to add a shape. I want to add a shape. This shape, this is a shape. Let me change this shape to circle. All right, now I've changed this image to a circle. Good. Now to fill here, you can see color gradient. All right. So here now, let me add something. Add. So at this area, you can see this place. All right. Now let me go back. Once I click, let me go back to where I'm coming. See here, I'll click inside it. Once I click it, it will now take me to all of the objects that are here. Let me say, let me click it. So once I click on it, now the fill of this thing is blue. I want to make it like this one. You can see this thing is not the fill. As is in this field now, I want to make the color based on this now. The color are changing. You can see this area is changing in color. You can see it's changing. I'm trying to pick a color from this icon. If it is this one I want or these shades, they are changing around this place. The more I'm dragging this icon, so any place I drag it, the color will change to that specific place. Alright, you can see, you can see, you can see. So it depends on area I put it on. So for the sake of this now, let me say, let me click on here. Yes, it's okay. Press OK. So I've changed the color of this image. Press OK to this. Now another thing is that in this shape now, I want to add image inside it. Alright. So here I will come. You can see this texture. This texture now. I'll click on it, then press this thing. Now add this thing. So as I have added it, I'll just cross because I only need this man image inside it. Alright. I only need this man image inside it. So make sure you make it at the center. So if it is at the center, so if you take it, it will automatically put the image also at the center. press OK. Voilà. So inside the image, I make a circle. Alright. So then this circle, let's say I want to give it a background, a stroke, something like a how do I call it? Like a border. Now in this image now, I want to add a border. You can see here, this one it is the stroke. Let's serve as a border. Now I'll click on it. Remember that here is already picked. I'll click on this stroke. Once I click on this stroke, now then enable this stroke. Now let me give it a color. What color do I need? I want the color to resonate with any of those things that are inside this thing. So I'll come here to search for color. Then the same way here, come here. I need this color, this one as a background color. You can see the color here. The color is showing here, alright. So based on this thing, anywhere I move this thing to, it will reflect on this color. Alright. Now let me move it to this place. You can see it reflects. Alright. Alright. So now you go okay. I've okay it. Then another thing is that it's not okay. You can switch up and make the width bigger, 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 bigger. How do you see it now? The more it is getting bigger. All right. Hope you can get it now. So this is how image works. This is how image works. All right. So let's do another something again. Masking our image. Masking our image. So this image, let's click it again. Now go back to the crop. Make it bigger now. I want to make it bigger. Okay, now I've made it bigger. I want to do something with this image. I want to crop the image. I want to mask this. Masking is that I'm trying to trim all the edges and only pick out that image itself. Okay, now this mask now. Is this not too much? Okay, this thing is too much though. Let me just stop. Let me just do before the mask everything. Let me do erasing an aspect. This erase now. I click on it now. Where do I want to erase? Yes. Let's say I want to erase everything here except this now. So one thing you should note is that here at this erase, this area is the size of the eraser, and here is how bigger. You see these two, this one and this one. The more I increase it like this, the more bigger our clip area, the inner eraser and external eraser. All right. So let's go. Here now, you can see so big. Here, uncle, you can see. I don't know if you're getting me. So let's say I'm like this. Okay. Oh my God, eraser. Now I've make it bigger. Now what do I want to erase? You can see this area that I'm erasing now, based on how bigger it is. The rest are getting erased. Now this area, let's increase here too. What happens when we increase here? It's showing extra layer of eraser. I don't know if you are getting it. But if it is like this, the erasing becomes sharp. You can see the edges here and the edges of the first one where we increase it. So this is how it works. Now let's erase everything and have this one alone. Nice one. Nice one. It's like we are done with everything. Only him is here. Alright, now first okay. Now that we are here, that's what it is. The next thing that we would likely to do is for us to crop him out. So mask this. Here, this mask. Let me go back. Cancel. So let me say I'll cancel. Now this area, I see this mask is what I want to use now. Now this mask, see how it works. Once I click on it, come here, you can see that here this arrow, you can see how it is. So the more I increase it, then one thing is that I've not clicked on embed. When I click on embed now, you can see, so it shows that everything inside this thing will be cancelled. If I should put outside, everything outside will be cancelled. So now I only want things that are inside this thing now. Everything outside should be cancelled. Anything inside should be shown. Good, good, good. Now after I'm done with this, you can see that this thing now has only 1, 2, 3, 4. So here, the next one, let me say I drag it outside. Here also, I drag it outside. So now what I need is this area, I'm turning it, alright. As I'm turning it, good. At the other place, I need to add more so that I can switch. So I'll click on here, plus. See this plus. Okay, now click on plus. Once I come on. No. Let me delete. This is one. Here now, we are here. Let me click on this place. I want to add more. I want to add more node. I want to add more node. Okay, yes, here is what we are supposed to click. Yeah. So let me click on it now. Add more node to it. This is deleting more node. Here is adding. Good. That's a mistake. Now note it. This one is deleting. Here is adding more nodes. This one will delete one node. Here we add more nodes. Alright. Now all this thing now, this one, they are all node that are tied together to form a shape. So now I want to add more nodes to this one. Now I click on this, then here, nothing special. So I want to add more nodes to this place. Click on here. Now since I've added a node here, now I can now work with this. Good. Then this one at the top too. I can also work on it. This is the other side. Alright. Alright. Then at the front of it again, add more nodes. Now I've added another node. Here is another node. Now good. Make it inside. I hope you can get it. Good. Now here, are we seeing? Do you have anything? Okay. Okay, it's okay like this. Good. Then here, everything is okay. Everything is okay. Now extend. Good. Here and here. I'm coming. Okay. I'm trying to bring it up here. Okay. 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 Coming. Good. Coming. Okay. That's an excellent. So it might not be perfect, but as time goes on, you'll be used to it because it's, the longer I use it, that's why it's giving me more some problem. So now after I'm done, after I'm done with cropping, I can click on this place. Okay. All right. So now I've removed the background from the image. You can see it. So, but you can make some trimming and so everything will be fine. Well, let me zoom in and do some paparazzi again to it. Continue with the mask. So it was maybe because it's too small, that's why I couldn't get it done very well here. Let me add more node this area. Okay, another node. No. Leave this node between this node. Okay. Enough of Nina. Usando laptop, laptop, usando llave.
Bóyá ká máa fi ilé ọ̀run hàn.
So,
Bóyá ká fi kí wọ́n náà kọ́ wá sínú orí ẹ̀ kátà mẹ́rin láti kàkà wá ṣe ìdàgbé.
so this is just a little. So the next thing is just that once you are done with it, for us to make it fine, you can just add stroke to it. The stroke will make it look more finer. So once you put stroke to it, so you can see. So the stroke you can see. So most times the stroke will make way for the error right here. So I don't know. Press OK. You are done. So this is how we work with images on Pixel Lab. So we'll be stopping here for today. So make sure you try and work on it. Try to do add image to your background, then add image layer, then crop an image. After that, then try to erase and mask an image. So those are what we did. So we did image, add image to background, add image layer to your Canva, erasing image background, cropping image, and trimming image edges or adding stroke, either of the two. So till next time we'll be meeting again. Say assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.